Alright, I'm going to run you through a little program I've recently completed for school, which just shows off the FMOD low-level API. Let's get into it. So as you can see, there are a number of different rooms which all have their own unique sound coming from them, and they all have a graphical equalizer looking thing on the back wall as well. They all do have a light coming from the center of the room as well, which will give off light depending on the sound of the lower level frequencies. Examples are things like your bass, really bassy sort of sounds. The walls around each side also have an occlusion and a reverberation value for each wall, which means they block out and they also reflect sound. In the top left you can see I've got a little user interface there which you can adjust all the actual sound attributes and reverberations and give them all a different sort of feel. And that there just turns on and off an echo effect on that individual sound. Here you can really notice the light lighting up the walls as the bass really kicks in. You notice the sound is actually softened or dampened as you go outside the walls or when the wall's between you and the sound. The graphical equalizer effect on the back wall is just used by getting the actual sound frequency values and then applying them to a texture on the actual rectangle itself. All of the things I've done in this feel like they're all small little enhancements or little things that get taken for granted in normal programs or games, but they're not standard, and they actually have to be created by somebody or something. And using these, you can add a lot of immersion to a program or whatever you want to apply it to, really. Thank you all very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.